A mother convicted of first-degree murder.
We do have a lot of evidence that Rebecca Hogue, over a period of weeks, allowed her child to continue to be abused, and did nothing to stop that abuse.
A jury recommending she spend life in prison, a punishment that sparked outrage.
There has to be care and attention that goes into even taking a picture of one of your children's bruises, because that might be evidence against you.
And that is where we begin at 6.
Little Jeremiah Ryder Johnson killed. His mother convicted of murder for letting the abuse happen that ended the little boy's life. But some are saying the punishment she is getting doesn't fit the crime. News 4's Bria Berry covered the whole trial. She joins us with details on this angle. Bria.
Kevin, the young mom's guilty verdict causing many to question why and how. Now, I spoke to Cleveland County's DA and Hogue's attorney about the ruling and the failure to protect law. A mother's conviction sparking a social media outcry.
We do have a lot of evidence that Rebecca Hogue, over a period of weeks, allowed her child to continue to be abused, and did nothing to stop that abuse.
Cleveland County DA Greg Mashburn stands behind the jury's guilty verdict in Rebecca Hogue's trial. The mother convicted of first-degree murder for permitting child abuse in her son Jeremiah Ryder Johnson's death. But she didn't do it. Her boyfriend, Christopher Trent, killed her son. Her conviction, something her attorney cannot come to grips with.
I'm not feeling sorry for myself. I'm feeling sorry for somebody who's sleeping tonight in jail. And that's more important to me.
Ryder suffered multiple bruises from Hogue's boyfriend, the mother taking photos of his injuries several times and asking Trent what happened.
There has to be care and attention that goes into even taking a picture of one of your children's bruises, because that might be evidence against you.
But Mashburn says Hogue's apparent suspicion of Ryder's abuse, followed by her decision to leave him in Trent's care, made the charges appropriate.
Eyes swollen shut, bruises to the genitalia, repeated abuse, child not even being responsive at one point in time, and she continues to still give the child over.
Hogue's attorney says Trent gaslighted her when she asked about the bruises. He would FaceTime her with Ryder smiling while she worked her 12-hour shift. The guilty verdict sparking fierce debate on social media. Like this person who says, she's not responsible for his choices, let her go. She doesn't need to be a part of this. And she knew there was possible abuse going on, yet she continued to make the choice to put her baby in the care of the abuser. Hogue's attorney warns that Oklahoma's failure to protect law is a looming threat to any working parent struggling with childcare.
We hope for the best for all single mothers and all parents, frankly, mother or father throughout the state, whenever they make decisions about who to leave their kids with, because this case is so tragic.
Now, Hogue will be sentenced on February 11, 2022. Her attorney is already discussing the next steps in this case.